Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this brand new Audi TFSI 30 Black Edition Sportback S Tronic. It comes dressed in the eye-catching arrow grey, sure to turn heads when on the road. This automatic hatchback has privacy glass, adding a touch of mystery to the car's profile. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with the 7-spoke rotor design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish cloth and leather upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S and Boss logo. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a connection to your mobile phone device to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps. For wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. And radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. Below you have the manual air conditioning, so the cabin can set the preferred temperature. Stay connected on the go with the 12V and USB charging points. Finished off with the automatic gearbox and the handheld brake with 2 cup holders for those morning coffees. This brand new Audi A1 is available on site now. Please give our sales team a call to discuss further. We look forward to hearing from you.